channel. In today's session we will be working on Access Chapter 3 Simulation Exam. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your exam without any confusion. If you need any help with MyLab IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today Access exam and go through it step by step. Question number 1 is create a new query using the query design button. First you will go to the create tab, then click on query design button. First add the employee info table and then the sales by employer table. First you will have to add employee info table, select employee info table, then click on add button. Employee info table are added, then you will have to add sales by employer table. Select this and click on add button. Close any open dialog box from the employee info table and add the first name and last name field to the query design grid in that order. Close this and add the first name and last name field, first name and last name. First you will have drag and drop into this from the sales by employer table. Add quarter and actual sales. First you will have to drag quarter in this and sales, then run the query. And the next part is display the query in design view. First you will have to right click on this, then go to the design view. With the query in the design view, set the criteria for the quarter field to be first, press enter. And in the criteria box you will have to write a quarter field to be first, then write first. In the design view of the query, sort the actual sales column in ascending order. You will go to the actual sales by employee and you can see that this drop down you will have to select the ascending order. Then the next part is save the query as employee commissions underscore first quarter. Then right click on this query, then click on save, and query name is you will have to write employee commission underscore first quarter, employee name, employee commission first quarter, then press OK. Then the next part is run the query. You will click on this run button. Display the employee commissions underscore first quarter query in design view. You will have to right click on this, then go to the design view, click on design view. In the first empty column, create a calculated field with the name commission that multiplies the actual sales field by 0.025 in that order, and then press enter. In the first empty column, then click on rule, and you will have to create a calculated field with the name commission write commission, then actual sales field by multiply by 0.025, then press OK. Run the query and save the query. Run this query, right click on this and save. Question number 1 are completed now. Now move to the next question, question number 2. Question number 2 is, in design view of the employee commission first quarter formatted query, select then format the commission calculated field as currency with 2 decimal places and add a caption of the first quarter commission, no period, press enter. First you will go to the design tab, property sheet, then decimal, right decimal place 2 decimal places, and add a caption of first quarter commission. In the caption section you will have to write a caption first quarter commission, run the query and then save the query. First you will have to run this query, click on run button and then right click on this and save this query. Question number 2 are completed now. Now move to the next question, question number 3. Question number 3 is, create a new column in the query with the following formula: wrong commission colon x actual sales multiply by rate, and then press enter. First you will go to this field and click on this, then click on build and write a formula: wrong commission colon then write x actual sales multiply with rate, then click on OK. There is a mistake in this formula. This one used colon instead of semicolon. I have write semicolon. All is done. Now press OK. This part is completed now. Our next question is, run the query. First we run this query, then x actual sales, enter 1 lakh in the first parameter box and 0.03 in the second. First you will have to enter a value, and the rate is 0.03 in the second. Notice that all result display in dollars. Our next part is, display the employee commission second quarter query in the design view. First you will right click on this, then go to the design view, use the expression builder to change the wrong commission column to field named commission. Modify the formula so that it multiplies actual sales by rate. First you will click on this drop down, then go to the build tab, the wrong commission, and write commission, only commission, and x actual sales by rate, then press OK. Our next part is, run the query. When prompted, enter 0.03 and click OK. Run this query, then write a rate 0.03 and click OK. Question number 3 are completed now. Now move to the next question, question number 4. Question number 4 is that, Use the expression builder to change the commission column to a field named quarter 2 commission. Modify the formula so it multiplies actual sales by 0.03. First you will click on this, then right click, build section, and click on this, build quarter 2 commission. You will have to write a field name quarter 2 commission, then modify the formula so it duplicates actual sales by 0.3. Then press OK. Question number 4 are completed now. We have now completed 4 questions out of 8. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training. For a complete course, I have successfully handled courses for the students from Canada, USA and many other countries. If you need any help with this task or your complete course, feel free to reach out me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.